Hey there, Verdana fans. Roberto Lee here at Verdana Village. We're in a construction zone showing you homes that are available to purchase. This is a Sorrento floor plan, part of the manor line of homes that you're going to find here at Verdana Village, lot 1552. This particular home here, the Sorrento, is almost 3,300 square foot, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath. You got a 3-car garage. Let's run inside and take a quick look. Obviously, the home's not done yet. It's going to be complete here in a matter of months. But this home here could be all yours. Let's take a look out the back here at the viewpoint on this Sorrento here. You're going to get a lake view right here off the side. You've got room for a pool. And then you're going to have the lake view right off the corner here on this particular floor plan. Nice lanai under truss that we're here. But this home, it's a great family-friendly home, 2 stories. You have 1 bedroom downstairs. Most of your bedrooms are going to be upstairs. This would be your kitchen area here. That's your kitchen island. And this would be looking over what would be your great room space here. So if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.